In this video, we are going to be looking for zCart. zCart is a multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace. So after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. Here's my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. From my file manager, I will go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purpose, and the subdomain I'm using, I name it as this. I've already uploaded So for my file manager, I go to my subdomain. The subdomain I'm using for this testing purposes is this. So next, I'm going to extract it. Right click on it, then extract files. So next, I close it. So after extracting it, I open it. I open the extracted file, then select or right click to move to the root folder. Move files. So I click on up one level. I successfully uploaded my scripts to my file manager. Next, I go back to my cPanel. So this time around, I am going to my database. I want to create my database, so I click on this. So let me name my database as this. Then next, I click on create database. So after creating my database, I've created my database successfully. So next, I click on go back. So now after the successful creation of the database, I'm going to create my username. I'm going to create my user. I scroll down to create the user. Yes. So let me name my user as this. Okay. So next, I click on create user. So I have created my user. So next, I click on go back. I've created my database, my user. What next is for me to add my user to my database. Okay, I'm using this. Yes, I click on add. I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. So I have successfully added my user to my database. What next is for me to go to my site. I copy my subdomain name, paste it, then enter. Okay, let me use /public, then enter. Next, I click on check requirements. So down, all requirements are met. Check permissions. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, after refreshing it, I have this storage. I should give it 775. Storage framework, storage logs. So let me go back to my file manager, then storage. Let me confirm again. Storage framework and logs. I change this to 775. Save logs 775. Save. So click. Next, I'm going to click on up one level. The storage is 7 needs to be changed to 775. Save. So let me see. Storage framework. So the next one is Bootstrap cache. Bootstrap cache to be changed to 775. Save. So next, let me refresh again. So all are granted. Now I click on configure environment, verify purchase. Okay, I'm going to fill this place. Here, app URL. I uploaded my site URL. Let me go to database. Okay, here I'm going to fill in my database credential. Copy. Paste. So I did this to my user database name. Next, I click on verify purchase. So let me save the configuration first. So I've saved the configuration. Next, I click on verify purchase. Next, I click on email address. Let me say admin@example.com. Okay. I'm going to fill this part. They are requesting for my purchase license. After that, I click on submit. Next, I click on install. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let me import demo data first. So next, I'm going to log into my zCart. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your script installation and customization, please log in. Use the engage me link in the description to engage me for your script installation and customization. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.